Embrace the power of high-quality ingredients. Don't skimp on the cheese and tomato sauce, they're the stars of the show. Heat things up. Preheat your oven to at least 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius to give your crust a satisfying crunch. Thin is in. Roll out your dough to a thin consistency to ensure even cooking and a crispy crust. Choose your cooking vessel wisely. A pizza stone or a preheated sheet pan will give you the best results. Less is more. Don't go overboard with toppings, or you'll end up with a soggy crust. A little cheese goes a long way. Use a light hand to avoid a greasy pizza. Mix it up. Experiment with different types of cheese for added flavor. Keep it even. If you're using fresh veggies as toppings, slice them thinly to ensure they cook evenly. Get creative. Don't be afraid to try out new flavor combinations to find your perfect pizza. Have fun. Making your own pizza is a rewarding experience, so enjoy the process and savor the delicious results.